Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel again. I'm here at the New Star Hotel, Philly Hotel, here in Cebu City, and it's almost 2 in the afternoon. You see there the magnificent Sisilex Bridge connecting the island of Cordoba from the Cebu proper. As you can see there, the skyscrapers of Cebu City. Okay, there is the SMC side. The magnificent landscape of Cebu City, amazing here in the Philippines, and it is branded as the Queen City of the South. See guys, my vlog for today is how to clean Nespresso machine. It's just quick cleaning. It's necessary that we should clean our Nespresso machine from time to time whenever our coffee tastes bitter. I think it's time that we should clean our Nespresso machine. It's super easy guys. We'll just need a glass here or something that can hold the water from the compartment, because the compartment I already put distilled water here. Distilled water, already put distilled water, and it does the cleaning of the Nespresso machine inside. We're gonna turn the button and the water will continuously drips down the glass. There it goes. I've already did this 3 times already. And here is the water. First and second cleaning cycle. It's kind of yellowy. But in the third try, it's already clean. As you can say, you can conclude that the machine is already cleaned. And then we're going to empty out the container which collects the coffee pods. For the meantime, we'll just put coffee pods. Here it goes. There are already 3 coffee pods. The machine there runs 3 separate cycles during the cleaning process with a short pause in between. There's the first and the second cycles, and here's the third one. It's clear already, and therefore I can say that it's clean. After that, why we need to clean? Because sometimes there's coffee grounds that might stuck into the machine, and if and there's so many coffee grounds, the coffee tastes bitter and it's kinda not good. Here if the light turns green already, because when we're doing the cleaning process, this light turns orange. If the light turns green here in the button, you have no worry about it's clean already. And if it is clean, your coffee tastes good. And I think guys, that's it. We already finished cleaning. I've already cleaned the parts. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and good luck.